The Amazon rainforest occupies 2,700,000 square miles across 8 South American countries. It's known as the lungs of the earth, and it produces over 6% of the world's oxygen. It's teeming with life and is the home to millions of species. It's no wonder that it's also filled with mystery and horror. From a horned beast to human sacrifice, here are the 20 most terrifying things found in the Amazon. Number 20. The horned beast of Bahia. As I've said, the Amazon is teeming with life, and it's a known fact that we're far from fully understanding the creatures that live within this jungle. This lack of knowledge allows cryptozoologists and conspiracy theorists to concoct stories of creatures and monsters that allegedly lurk amidst the tall trees of the Amazon. The horned beast of Bahia is just one of the many monsters that allegedly secretly reside in the Amazon. However, just like most cryptids, this photo is the only proof it exists. Along with the many accounts of sightings, this picture was captured in 2007 by a 15-year-old American teenager who visited Brazil. Have you ever seen an odd humanoid-like creature flaunting an eerie skull-like face and horns sticking right out of its head like the devil himself? Some people believe this creature was a demon, while others theorized it might be something else. This peculiar creature seemed to be clutching something in its arms. Some people speculated it was either the monster's offspring or a sort of weapon. The real question is, what brought it here, and where was it headed? And more importantly, where is it now? Despite the endless debates and theories, the creature's identity remained a mystery. Some skeptics suggested it was merely a person covered in mud. But let's not forget that skull-like face and those unique horns. This picture remains an enigma that boggles minds, even years after it was taken. So what's your take on this? Number 19. The Mamba. Just like the horned beast of Bahia, the Mamba is another monster that allegedly lurks in the jungles of the Amazon. Legend has it, Mamba was a gigantic crocodile, but unlike any ordinary crocodile, we're talking about a creature rumored to reach lengths of up to 50 feet. To put it in perspective, that's about as long as a bowling lane. Mamba was believed to be fiercely territorial and incredibly aggressive. The creature, which was thought to be a throwback to prehistoric times, was infamous for its monstrous elongated jaws filled with dagger-like teeth. Many believe Mamba to be a surviving Deinosuchus, a prehistoric relative of the crocodile that lived during the late Cretaceous period. In the local folklore, spine-chilling tales were told about the creature attacking unwary villagers, capsizing boats, and dragging its victims down into the murky depths. These tales of horror made even the bravest locals think twice before approaching the waterways where Mamba was rumored to dwell. Is it really possible that such a giant reptile exists in the waters of the Amazon undetected? Only time will tell. Number 18. 81 ancient settlements. For so long, experts believed that the settlements in the Amazon only existed near the fertile lands close to the floodplains. It made perfect sense, after all. For so long, experts thought the land far from the major waterways was untouched. And yet, recent research revealed that perhaps the Amazon was much more generous and giving than we thought, and people in the old days were tougher. An international team of researchers from the UK and Brazil scrutinized satellite images, leading to the discovery of 81 ancient settlements. The aerial reconnaissance revealed dozens of geoglyphs, enigmatic geometric earthworks that may have been sites for ritualistic ceremonies. These villages were typically located near or even within these geoglyphs. Upon closer inspection of 24 of these unearthed sites, archaeologists found a plethora of artifacts, including stone tools, ceramic fragments, refuse heaps, and terra preta, a fertile soil found in other parts of the Amazon. The experts also uncovered traces of fortifications, embedded roads, and platforms where houses once stood. With the sheer number of new settlements, there's still much to discover. Number 7. Hoatzin. At first glance, you'd think the Hoatzin bird is something straight out of a mythical story. Just by its appearance, it's easy to see that this bird is among the most remarkable creatures in the Amazon. With a blue face, maroon eyes, and a crest of wild, spiky feathers on its head, it's hard to miss the creature in the wilderness. But its uniqueness goes beyond appearances. The Hoatzin is the only bird known to have a digestive system that ferments vegetation, much like a cow's. Because of this, it gives off a manure-like odor, hence the name stinkbird. They spend their days lounging in trees along waterways, digesting their meals of leaves, fruits, and flowers. One fascinating fact about these birds is their chicks. Born with claws on their wings, they use these to climb around the trees before they learn to fly. If threatened, they'll drop into the water below, swim away, then use their claws to clamber back up to the safety of the branches. The Hoatzins' lineage is still a bit of a mystery, baffling scientists to this day. Some consider them living fossils, as they share characteristics with primitive birds. You can say that today, these creatures are the closest things to dinos we have. Number 16. Victoria amazonica. As amazing as its name suggests, Victoria amazonica is a massive flowering plant. It's the second largest in the water lily family, and its size earned it its nickname, the Queen of the Pond. A single leaf of this lily can grow up to 3 meters in diameter. That's nearly 10 feet across. It's so strong, it can even support the weight of a small child. It might be tempting to jump on it, but if you're an adult, you probably shouldn't try your luck. This organism is like a plant that's straight out of a fantasy novel. It flowers at night, starting as a pure white bud that opens into a large bloom. By the second night, the bloom turns a deep pink. It's believed this color change helps attract pollinators.